Hi there. Welcome to my TinkerCAD cleaning robot project. Specifically, I'm in charge of the BUBO Splash, which is an automated robot that is intended to clean up any sort of spills in your bathroom or any area of your house typically. And I'm going to go ahead and walk you through how this circuit works and show you the main parts of my setup. So we're going to start with the circuit over here. This robot uses two motors for movement, as featured 1 and 2, and also an ultrasonic sensor to detect obstacles, and a button that starts or stops the cleaning cycle. Once the button is pressed, and I'm going to go ahead and open up this code so you can see this. Once the button is pressed, start the simulation just so we can actually press the button. Let's open up the serial monitor so we can take a look at the actions as well. Boom, button has been pressed. The robot's going to start moving forward, and it's programmed to run for 5 minutes using the millis function, and the millis function for that is featured here. Let me go ahead and exit out of that. And that's going to go ahead and have the robot run for 5 minutes, and millis is used to track the time. So while it's running, it's also constantly checking the distance ahead. So if something is closer than 6 centimeters, the robot's going to stop, and it's going to print the distance and start reversing. So let me go ahead and demonstrate that. Boop. And there you go, it printed the distance and it's starting the reverse process. After reversing for a short amount of time, it's going to turn right to find a new path, and then it's going to continue moving forward. This cycle repeats whenever it detects an obstacle. So whenever this over here is triggered, it just happens, and it just tells you also the distance every single time under 6 centimeters. And then we'll wait for it to go. Oh, come on. There we go. And that's demonstrating how it works a few times. This robot's behavior is also controlled by a mode system that I went ahead and coded out. So 0 equals forward, mode 1 is reversing, and then mode 2 handles the turning. And it also prints updates, as you've seen, to the serial monitor throughout that run. So the messages included when the robot starts, detecting obstacles, turns, and when the 5 minutes are also up. Movement, however, is handled by some functions down here. So we have functions such as go forward, go backward, and turn right, stop motors, and also we have get distance as well. And these are all, they set the motor pins and control speed using PWM. So I'll go ahead and scroll through the entire code right now just so you can take a look at it all. And I went ahead and noted with comments what areas are for what specific functions or actions. That way it's just a little easier to read through this chunk of coding. Alrighty, and this project overall just demonstrates the basic movements using sensors, motor control, and simple timing logic. And thanks for watching.